Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the usage of position move attribute in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So what we will be doing is that currently you can see I have opened the tree view of contacts. So let's take a case where we have to change the position of email field. So currently the order is name followed by phone, then email, salesperson. So let's assume a case where we have to move email field in front of phone field. That is, I need to get email as second column in the list view. So normally in such cases what people will do is that they will just make this field invisible, or simply they will replace this field and add a field before that. So this can be achieved easily using the position move attribute in Odoo, and I feel that position move attribute is not explored or not used much, so I have just plan to make a video on that attribute. So let's see how we can move the email field to the second column using the position move attribute in Odoo. So let me go to PyCharm. So this is my custom add-ons path, that is dev folder, and here we have the OM hospital module. And if I go to the views folder, here we have already a sale.xml file which we have created to inherit the sale order and add a new field. So what I'll do, I'll simply copy this file and create a new file called partner.xml, and let me remove some codes from here. So what I need is I have to simply inherit the corresponding view. So I have created a file, and let me import this inside the manifest file. So I'll import views slash partner.xml file, partner.xml. So I have imported that in the manifest file, and I have created a record here. Now if I go to UI, the view that you have to inherit is, so let me activate the debug mode. So from here I'll activate the developer mode, and if I come back to contacts, so you have to inherit this list view of contacts. So I'll click on debugger button, and if you click on edit view list, you will be getting its external ID, that is base view partner tree. So you have to inherit this view, and I'll give the name as view partner tree, and the model is rus.partner, rus.partner. So the model name is set, and you have to set a name for the view. So the name also I'll give as rus.partner. So here you can see the model that you have to inherit is rus.partner, and this is the external ID. And here you can see first one is display name, then function which is an invisible, phone, then email. So what do we have to do? We have to add email field before the phone field. So I'll XPath using the phone field. So what I'll do here, so XPath expression field at phone. So the technical name of the phone field is phone itself. So you can see that here. So if you click on edit view list, you can see the technical name is phone. So I have to add the email field before phone. So what I have given, XPath expression field at name phone position, I need to get it before the phone. So I'll give the position before, and before what I have to add, I have to add the field email, field name email. So if I come back here, you can see I have to add this field before. So I have given like this, field name email, and along with this you have to simply give position move, position move. So what will happen, the email field will get moved to this position. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens. So I have specified the XPath position, that is I need to add it before the phone field, and I am moving the existing field to this location. So let me restart the service, and let me upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So I'll go to the UI, and I'll duplicate this tab. I'll duplicate this tab and I'll go to the apps menu, and from the apps menu I'll upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So you can see the module is getting upgraded. And if I come back to the contacts and if I switch to the list view, you can see the email field has been changed to the second position. And if I check here, you can see initially it was name, phone and email, but right now name, email and phone. And if you refresh here also, you can see name, email and phone. So this is the use case or where you can use the position move attribute in Odoo. Suppose if you need to move an existing field to a particular location in the same form, you can use like this. You have to specify the XPath position, then just use position move. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment it out, or you can share the suggestion in the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, anything, just feel free to connect us in the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. All the social medias links are directly given under the video description, so feel free to connect. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.